Experience lakeside luxury in this stunning home boasting 77 feet of west-facing lakefront on Little Rock Lake. Enjoy serene vistas and endless opportunities for boating and fishing with access to the mighty Mississippi. The wide-open floor plan features in-floor heating, a spacious kitchen with a large center island, and expansive windows framing picturesque views. Relax by the stone fireplace in the large living room, complete with main floor laundry and a 3/4 bathroom. Upstairs, the Lakeside Master Suite offers a private bathroom, while a second bedroom and bathroom provide ample space for guests. The bonus room above the garage offers flexibility for additional sleeping quarters or living space. Step outside to a huge maintenance-free deck and oversized 2-stall garage, both insulated.